Audio mixing is an art form just as much as it is a science. It requires a good ear, but also the knowledge to understand what's happening under the hood. Here are 5 top mixing hacks that can help you achieve a better mix. Use high-pass filters. High-pass filters are a powerful tool in your mixing arsenal. They can help to clean up the low end of your mix by removing unnecessary low-frequency content from non-bass instruments. This can help to prevent muddiness and make your mix sound clearer and more defined. Tip: apply a high-pass filter to each track in your mix, except for the kick drum and bass. Start with the cutoff frequency around 20 Hz and slowly move it up until you start to notice a change in sound, then back it off a bit. Check your mix in mono. While we usually listen to music in stereo, checking your mix in mono can provide valuable insights. It can help you identify phase issues and ensure that your mix still works on mono systems. Tip: use a utility plugin to switch your mix to mono and listen for any elements that disappear or become quieter. Adjust the panning or use phase correction tools if needed. Use reference tracks. Reference tracks are professionally mixed and mastered songs that you can use as a benchmark for your own mix. They can help you make decisions about EQ, compression, stereo width, and more. Tip: choose a reference track that is similar in style to your own music. Listen to it frequently while mixing, but make sure to match the volume levels to avoid being misled by loudness differences. Don't over-compress. While compression is a useful tool for controlling dynamics, it's easy to go overboard. Overcompressing can make your mix sound squashed and lifeless. Tip: use compression sparingly and always with a purpose. If you're not sure why you're adding a compressor, it's probably best to leave it out. Take regular breaks. Our ears can become fatigued when mixing, which can lead to poor decisions. Taking regular breaks can help to prevent this. Tip: try to take a short break every hour or so. This can help to keep your ears fresh and your perspective clear. These are just guidelines. There are no hard and fast rules in audio mixing, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.